Hello everyone, welcome back. In this section of the course, you're going to learn Excel basics and Excel shortcuts. So without wasting time, let's dive right into it. So Excel is organized into rows and columns. Columns in Excel are represented by letters from A to Z. So all of these ones that are represented by letters are called columns. And rows in Excel are represented by numbers. And another clue here is that rows are horizontal, whereas columns are vertical. So here, if I just highlight that, you can see this is column E. So if I come here, where columns and rows intersect, it's called a cell. So here I'm in cell A1. That is, this cell is in column A and row 1. So if I move my mouse here, you can see there's this little plus icon. So the plus icon is called the selection cursor. And when I hover over this green line here, you can see the selection cursor changes to a move cursor. And here on the bottom right corner here, if I hover over that square shape there, you can see there's a plus icon. This is called the fill handle.